Namaste friends, welcome to RH Chemistry. In today's NEET Booster 2020 Solid State chapter we are going to discuss. So already synopsis for this I have given in the description box, the link is there, you can download that. And on this already I have done super 10 questions on solid state. Those questions also you can refer, definitely it is going to help you. First question. Formula of metal oxide with metal deficiency defect in its crystal is A0.8 oxygen. The crystal contains A2 plus and A3 plus ions. The fraction of metal existing as A2 plus ions in the crystal is. They are asking fraction of metal existing in A2 plus ions. So in this particular case, how to solve this type of question? If you see, basically A is there 0.8 and oxygen is there 1. Hence, I can tell you that 80 is to 100. This is the ratio. 0.8 is to 1 is nothing but 80 is to 100 ratio. So, A may have A2 plus and A3 plus. So, A2 plus I will take it as X and A3 plus ions. Remember, I have to take it as 80 minus X. Because out of this 80, some X number is A2 plus, 80 minus X number is A3 plus charge. So hence we can say total charge on A is equal to, so X into plus 2 plus 80 minus X into plus 3. I hope you understood. So the total charge on this A, including A2 plus and A3 plus, I will write. So if I simplify this, 2x, right, plus 240, 80 into 3, so minus 3x is equal to, I can write it as 240 minus x. This is one part. Now we know that AO is neutral oxide, right? AO is neutral oxide. Hence remember, positive charge is equal to total negative charge. What is the total negative charge here? 100 oxygen means each oxygen minus 2. 100 oxygen means, remember, that is 200. Negative charge is 200 and positive charge total is, remember, 240 minus x. So that I can write this as x is equal to 40. But x is equal to 40 is not the answer. What they are asking here? What they are asking? Fraction of molecule. Remember, so fraction can be calculated as, the ratio can be calculated as, so 40 divided by 80. Because total is 80. In that 40 is x, that is 2 plus, and 2 plus fraction they are asking. So the answer for this question is 0.5. So answer is C here. Like this you have to solve this question. Then Zn is white when cold and yellow when it is heated. It is due to the development of. So actually what happens, you see, ZnO on heating give rise to Zn2 plus oxygen 2 minus. So remember, ZnO crystal when you heat, oxygen 2 minus is expelled out. So hence remember, only Zn2 plus is present. This type of defect we name it as metal excess defect. Because of the metal excess defect, remember, this zinc will be colored, that too yellow colored. Direct question from the NCERT, remember it is given. So answer for this is B. In solid, atom M occupies CCP, 1/3 of tetrahedral whites are occupied by N. Find the formula. Remember, CCP is nothing but number of atoms is equal to 4. Number of tetrahedral whites is equal to 8, because 2 into 4. 2 into Z we call it as generally, right? So 1/3 of tetrahedral whites is equal to, remember, 8 by 3. Now hence remember, M occupies the CCPs, that is M4, and N occupies 1/3 tetrahedral white, hence it is 8 by 3. Then you take it this side, M12 is to N8. Then if you simplify this, you are going to get it as M3 N2. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. M3 N2 is the answer. M3 N2 option is A. Very simple question. The vacant space in BCC lattice unit is, remember in BCC packing efficiency is equal to 68%, right? So hence vacant space is 100 minus that, 32% is the answer. Then question number 5. In case of the question number 5, column 1 and column 2 is given, you have to match. See, ionic solid, out of this which is ionic solid? A1. That is NaCl is ionic solid, so A1. Metallic solid, out of this which is metal? Fe. So B2, A1, B2. Immediately you see the option A1, B2, which means option is B. So C3 and D4. As it is there. So molecular solid means dry ice. Then sixth one, the number of unit cells in 4 gram of X, atomic mass is given, that is 40, which crystallizes in BCC pattern is, Na is Avogadro number. Then how to solve this type of question? What we know here, number of unit cells, remember. So one unit cell of BCC has, remember, 2 atoms. Correct? One is at the center and 8 corners, so that each corner shared by 8 unit cells. So 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1. So total 2 atoms present in BCC. This part we know. Now what you have to calculate? In 4 gram of X, how many atoms are there? 2 atoms, 1 unit cell. That many, how many unit cell that you have to see? Right? So 4 gram of X means what? See here, we know that Na, the atomic mass is given, that is 40. Right? So 40 gram means, remember, Avogadro number of atoms. Correct? 40 gram. Always atomic mass or molecular mass will have Avogadro number of atoms. So that 4 gram will have how many if you calculate? So 4 into Na divided by 40. So the answer for this is 0.1 Na. Now, very simple calculation now. So in this particular case, here only I will make, see, 2 atoms, 1 unit cell, right? 2 atoms, 1 unit cell. 0.1 Na atoms is nothing but 0.1 Na divided by 2 unit cell. What is the option? 0.1 Na divided by 2. Answer is C. Like this, you can solve this question. Now, very important problem on radius ratio. Radius ratio problem, it is very, very important. You have to remember those things. Remember, so radius ratio is equal to R of plus divided by R of minus. So R plus is nothing but radius of cation. R minus is nothing but radius of anion. Radius of cation is given 0.98 into 10 to the power minus 10 divided by 1.81 into 10 to the power minus 10. So total how many you have got? 0.5. Correct? Because get cancelled. 0.98 divided by 1.81 is nothing but 1 by 5. So 0.5 you got. Sorry, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5 you got. Now you have to see 0.5 means radius ratio belongs to which type of coordination number. For that, this table you have to remember. Here in the screen you are seeing one table, radius ratio table. That table you have to remember. So depending on that, we can say that coordination number 0.5 means it is in between that the coordination number, you can say 0.414. After that the coordination number belongs to, that is 6. Remember, NaCl type of structure. So the answer for this question is C, and this is very, very important. Remember. Then 8th, a unit cell of NaCl has 4 formula units. The edge length of the unit cell is given. What is density? Very simple here. It is a density formula. It is not a big problem. Zm divided by A cube into Na. But very important thing is, what is Z? Very simple. They have given 4 formula unit is nothing but Z is equal to 4. That the thinking what you have to understand. 4 into molecular mass. NaCl they have given. Molecular mass is 58.5 divided by A cube. A what is given 0.564. Correct? 0.564 nanometer. So to calculate cube, it is easy for me when I take 5.6. Right? So hence what I will do is 5.6 into 10 to the power minus 1, remember. I will do it here. So 0.564 nanometer is equal to, it's centimeter it is there. I have to convert into centimeter, correct? So 0.56 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter now is equal to, I will write this as 5.6 into 5.6 when I write, remember, it become 10 to the power minus 1 minus 9, which means 10 to the power minus 10, right? 10 to the power minus 10. So then I want meter to centimeter. So 10 to the power minus 8 it become. Very simple. 10 to the power minus 8. 5.6 into 10 to the power minus 8. So cube into 6 into 10 to the power 23. That is my Avogadro number. Now you substitute. Very simple. 4 into 58.5 divided by 5.6 cube. See, we know that 5 cube is equal to 125. 6 cube is equal to 1216. These are the things we know that. So in between I will take it as around 150 into 6 and 10 to the power. Here 10 to the power you can say it is not there, means definitely it will get cancelled. Not necessary to worry about that. Here in shortcut how you can do that I am going to tell you. So right. So after this you can see here 150 into 6. Correct? 4 into 58.5. So here 4 into 58.5, here I will take it as around 50. 54 is a 200 I will take divided by 156. 15 6 how much? So 90. 15 6 is 90. We know that, right? So 150 into 6 is 900. So 900 means I will take 1000. 200 ones are 205. 1 by 5 is nothing but 0.2. 0.2 nearest answer is which one? 2.16. So the answer is B. So like this you can, in the very less time you can do this type of problem. So the answer is B in this particular case. That is 8th question. Now 9th one. A density and edge length value for crystalline element with FCC lattice are given 10 gram and 400 picometer respectively. The number of unit cells in 32 gram of this crystal they are asking. So 32 gram of this crystal. So one thing we have to know that, so molecular mass, whatever you will see here, molecular mass, that molecular mass which is belongs to 1 unit cell, right? Molecular mass belongs to 1 unit cell. It is just like here, like this. If I want to calculate the molecular mass, then I can get the answer 58.5. 58.5 which is belongs to 1 unit cell, like that. So molecular mass belongs to 1 unit cell. 32 gram belongs to what is the unit cell that you have to calculate, right? Very simple. Now what is given here? Edge length is given. To calculate mass, what we want? Mass is equal to density into volume, because density is equal to mass by volume. So mass you can calculate by like this. So what is density? Density is 10 gram into 400 picometer is A. A is 400 picometer. But volume is what? A cube. A cube means 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. Read. See, 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. Picometer means you have to convert it into centimeter. Right? 10 to the power minus 12 meter. So it is nothing but 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. So this cube, when I do this cube, 4 cube is 64 into minus 2 minus 10. So here 400 means 4 means it is plus 2, plus 2. 400 means 4 into 10 to the power 2. Plus 2 minus 10 is minus 8. Minus 8 cube is minus 24. 10 to the power minus 24. So 64 into 10 to the power minus 24 is equal to 640 into 10 to the power minus 24. This is the mass. Now the calculation is like, remember, 640 into 10 to the power minus 24 belongs to 1 unit cell. This is the mass. Now 32 gram belongs to how many unit cell? So 32 into 1 divided by 640 into 10 to the power minus 24. Right? Now you can calculate it like this. You can see 640, what I will do? I will write it as 64. 64 if I do, I will take one decimal point behind, so that, remember, it become 10 to the power minus 23. Right? 10 to the power minus 23. Because 640 point is there. I will take 1 point behind. So 1 point lower digit. So 1 point lower digit means 10 to the power minus 23. Minus 23 comes to numerator as 10 to the power 23. 32 1s are 32 2s are 1 by 2 means 0.5. 1 by 2 means 0.5. So hence this can also be written as 5 into 10 to the power 22. So the answer for this question is B. 5 into 10 to the power minus 22 plus 22. Answer is B. The last one, which arrangement of the electron leads to ferromagnetism? We know that ferromagnetism is nothing but, remember, all the magnetic dipoles, or you can say spin of the electron at one particular direction. So the answer for this question is A. I hope these 10 questions boost your confidence about this solid state chapter. So if you like the video, comment if you have any doubts, share it to your friends, and subscribe if you are not subscribed to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.